Hi everyone, I'm back with part 3 of the 17-pound box of jewelry from shopgoodwill.com. This one's a necklace. It kind of looks handmade. I think there's 2 or 3 different types of metals on here. And then back here there's a name. It's like scratched in. And I can't really read it. I do see a J and then something else right after it. And this one's a necklace. There's a tag on here. And I think that says adult jewels. These ones look like they're color changing. Stretchy bracelet. I think it needs restringing. Another necklace. This one's gold tone, the wire wrapped. Not sure what this one is. Could be a stone. And a bracelet. This one's a wrap bracelet. Some tassels. Bracelet with some butterflies. And I do see a tag here. That one says fossil. A little bit of wear on the clasp. Bracelet with some faux pearls. And this one has a tag. I think this is a hair tie. And a cuff bracelet. There's a little stamp right here. I'm not really sure if that's a stamp or if it's just a mark in the metal, but I can't really read it. Okay. Necklace. Looks like there's 2 layers in it. Some plastic beads. This one's a long necklace with some seed beads. There's 2 layers here. I think maybe an anklet. There's a mark on that. Hematite necklace, a little heart. And bracelet. Okay, a necklace, looks like a tooth or a claw. I think it's a stone, I'm not really sure. Stretchy bracelet. And here's a necklace. This one I think has 2 layers. Plastic beads, and there's a tag on that. It says NY. pendant, looks like a dove. It says peace. And some glass beads. Okay, so that one says Napier. Silver tone. I guess there's 2 layers to this. Goes like that. Little heart, rhinestones. And a glass pendant. This one's a suede choker, the faux pearl. And a necklace. Goes like that. Okay, cuff bracelet. And I don't see any marks in that. This one is like the illusion wire with some pearls. And a silver tone cross. Silver tone necklace. And a bracelet. This one has cat eye beads. It's a gold tone necklace. One's like 2 gold and silver tone. I think this is a pearl. It's really huge. I think it might be like 3 pearls stuck together. I don't see any marks on that. Chain's really nice. No marks on the chain either. Rhinestone bracelet. Has a lot of wear on that. This is a cord necklace. Oh, I forget what these are called, but it's like a fossil. There's some rhinestones here. And a bracelet. I think there's 2, maybe 3 necklaces stuck here, but some charms. Letter A. So these ones are tied. So this one's like a suede cord, the wire wrapped, maybe sea glass. And this one's just a rope with the silver tone star. Another like rope cord necklace. And silver tone, it says Miracle. I think that's magnetic. And a gold tone necklace. It's missing the clasps here. Just multiple layers. This one's a bracelet. It's a little tangled here, but it's fold over clasp. Stretchy bracelet, some plastic beads. Another bracelet. Then these ones, I believe, are stones and also glass beads. And a necklace with some feathers. Stretchy bracelet with some stone chips. These ones are little pearls, might be an anklet, but I think it needs restringing. A necklace. A necklace with some rhinestones. And I do see a tag on here. A stretchy bracelet. A little bit of wear here. And I believe these are tiger's eye, but matte finish. It's really neat. Okay, so there's a tag here. That one says Aramish. Well, that's nice. It kind of looks like wood because it has the matte finish, but you could see it's tiger's eye. You could still see the movement there. Okay, so these are some glass beads and some bangle bracelets. This one's falling apart, but it's shells and then little glass beads here. And here are some pendants. This one's glass. This one's a brooch, looks handmade. Some pearls and might be a stone bead. Signature on the back. This one's a brooch. There's a piece missing here. And also this one looks like it was just tied on with some string. This one's a shell. And another shell. Just might have just fallen off of something. This one's silver tone with some rhinestones and like maybe resin. And I don't know if that's a stamp. I don't know if it's a stamp or just like some marks on the metal. Another shell. Looks like the design is peeling off of that. It's an elephant keychain. It says Thailand. Another shell. And that one's an eagle. So there's a mark back here and it says TG and a little C right there. Stone pendant and a cross. Hematite elephant. It's like looks like a peridot, but probably glass. And a frog. I think this is a button. I think this one's fluorite. Then a leaf or a feather brooch. And I think that's coral, I'm not really sure. And another seashell. Then this is just a little angel. And here are some rings. This one's big rhinestone. Gold tone. I feel like we've seen this one before. This one looks like a mood ring. Some dolphins. And this one's wood. Silver tone, has a lot of wear on that. This one, I think it's a carved shell. This one still has the tag on it. So it's new, but it looks old. It's all worn back here. I think this is supposed to be like a little bird's nest. It's really cute. Then abalone. And another wire wrapped ring. I think that one is the blue goldstone. And here are some earring pairs. So these are clip-ons. And these are dangly earrings. I think this one's a stone. Another pair of clip-ons, the coin. And I think we had a necklace that went with this. It's with tiger's eye chips. And I think these are wood. Silver tone with some beads. And another pair of wood earrings. And I think these are glass. And ceramic. So there's silver tone. They go like that. These are clip-ons, has a piece missing here. Beads, and I think these are stones. and tiger's eye. Silver tone, the post back, and some beaded feathers. And these ones look handmade. I think this is like wire, maybe wire woven. These metal dangles also kind of looks handmade. Another tiger's eye. I think these are plastic beads. Some flowers. Another pair of wood earrings with some shells. Little triangles. And I think we saw a necklace that went with this. These shell kind of hoop earrings. This one's broken. Okay, more shell earrings. And some hoops. These ones have a 925 stamp up here. So I'll go ahead and test those. And then these here are single earrings. This one's pretty with the shell. Another shell here. And I think there was one, this one's like abalone. And then this one's stamped 925 Mexico. So I'll test that one. So also in this box, there was some loose stones and shells. This one's a shell. I think the tip's kind of broken off. This one's also a shell. I'm not sure what this one is, but it looks like it came from the ocean, maybe a coral or sponge. There's 4 pieces of pyrite. And these ones are hematite. This one's a bead. And I think these ones are the blue tiger's eye. I'm not really sure, it's kind of dark, so it's hard to tell. I think this is a worry stone, so you kind of just have it in your pocket and rub it like that. I'm not sure what all these are, but just a bunch of different stones in here. Okay, and that is the end of this box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.